Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ycelbeemanalo. Please watch this video. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you. Recipe natin for today is minatamis na saging. We need saging na saba. Slice the saba. Put sliced saba in a casserole. Add 1 cup sugar. You can add more sugar if you want. Add 100 ml cooking oil. Add 150 ml water. Add a pinch of salt. Put the lid on and cook over low fire. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified for more upcoming videos. Kapag ganito na po ang itsura ng ating saging, wala na siyang water, melted na ang sugar, brown na po ang ating saging, luto na po.